Hi everyone, today we'll see the concept formation of image by concave mirror. So in this video we'll see how a concave mirror will be forming images. Let's start with this. Concave mirror na the reflecting surface will be inward. So here I am just drawing my principal axis. This is a metal coating. Okay, well, the inside part is the reflecting surface. This is my metal coating, principal axis, pole, principal focus, center of curvature. Okay, and let's take here, this will be infinity. Okay, and this is your point P. For concave mirror, the focus will be lying just in front of the reflecting surface. To know what is principal focus, center of curvature and pole, just go through my videos on spherical mirrors, terms related with it, and how the light gets reflected. That is part 2. If you know that how light gets reflected in concave mirrors or spherical mirrors, then the way of understanding this becomes quite easier. I have given the link in the description, just go through it. Now see what are the cases on how the image gets formed in a concave mirror. There are 6 cases. Case 1 is when the object lies at infinity. Second one is when the object is beyond center of curvature. Third one is when the object is exactly at C. Fourth one, between C and F. Fifth one, exactly at F. Sixth one, between F and P. As I have already discussed this as in differences between concave and convex mirror, that in concave mirror, depending on the position, the image sometimes be real and inverted or virtual and direct. Now we'll be seeing what are the cases where the image is getting changed, and in this video we'll be talking about the nature and size of the image that's been formed by concave mirror. Let's start with case 1. Case 1. What is your case 1? When the object is at infinity. So here let me take this. This is my concave mirror. I am drawing my principal axis. Okay, so here let's take the image or the object is at infinity. The object is at infinity. So here I have taken the case as when the object is at infinity. Let me mark my points here: pole, focus, center of curvature. Okay, now as for our convenience, I am taking only 3 rays here. Otherwise, every object will be reflecting the whatever the rays that's been falling on it. So I am just taking 3 rays. Ray 1 that is parallel to principal axis. Ray 2 along the principal axis. Ray 3 again parallel to principal axis. So incident ray I am representing like this. What we know about the light that falls on the reflecting surface, when it is passing parallel to the principal axis, it always gets reflected in such a way that it gets reflected through the focus. So which means the object will form an image exactly at F. Here we all know that as we are taking 3 different rays, they will be collected here. And there is one more thing: when the light falls through the center of curvature, then it traces the same path. Okay, so here these 3 rays are getting converged at this point, making the image forming over here. So image is formed at F, and the image is, see, point sized. It is only because these 2 rays are exactly coinciding at F, no, which means forming a point size image, and it is real and inverted, because there is no proof that the image is virtual and direct. That's why we are taking the case as real and inverted. The thing is, if the object is at infinity, the image is formed at F, the principal focus, and it is of point size, and the nature is real and inverted. Let's see case 2. What is our case 2? Beyond C. So here it is not at infinity, but somewhere came to the principal axis, but beyond the point C. Now we'll see this. Case 2, beyond C. So here again I am drawing my concave mirror, principal axis, marking my points P, focus, center of curvature, but this time the object is here, beyond C. Now again I am taking two rays, ray 1 parallel to principal axis, ray 2 that's been passing through the center of curvature. Okay, so here when we are doing like this, the ray parallel to principal axis will come in a direction towards principal focus, whereas the center of curvature will retraces the path, making which these two rays are colliding at this point. Okay, which means this is your object O and this one is your image. Now I am just writing this as image is formed between C and F. The image is diminished, smaller in size. See here the object is larger whereas the image is smaller, which means it is diminished, inverted, real and inverted. So when the object is beyond C, the image is between C and F, diminished, real and inverted. Let's see case 3. Let's see case 3 when the image, the object is exactly at C. So here I am drawing my concave mirror, concave, pole, focus, center of curvature. Let's take this as my image. Now see carefully, I am taking two rays, ray 1, ray 2. Okay, now see here, this ray will be reflected as such, whereas this will be going and reflecting over here, which means the image will be formed exactly at C. Okay, let me make the marks. Ray 1, ray 2 gets reflected like this and this as such, which means the image is formed at C. If the object is at C, then which means the image is also formed at C, of same size, but real and inverted. See here, this is upright, which means straight, but here it is upside down, which means the image is real and inverted. Now we have case 4. Case 4, we have seen when the image is exactly at C. Now we'll be seeing if the image object is between C and F, between C and F. Let me draw my concave mirror again. Concave, principal axis, pole, focus, center of curvature, between C and F. Now then the object is here. Okay, so I am taking again two rays, ray 1 and ray 2. Okay, so 1, 2, parallel to principal axis goes over here, whereas through focus will be here, which means these two rays will be meeting at this point. Okay, so it will be beyond C. The image is formed beyond C. So here it is again real and inverted, but see the image size. enlarged or magnified, enlarged or magnified. Now let's see the case 5. Case 5. Case 5. So here, what is the case 5? When it is exactly C and F over, na, it is exactly at F. At EF. Principal focus. So drawing my concave mirror, principal axis, pole F, C. Object, two rays, ray 1, ray 2. So let me just take two rays, ray 1 that is parallel to principal axis, and this one is, let's take, I am taking a oblique ray. Okay, wow. As you already know, this will pass through principal focus and this will be reflected according to laws of reflection. Okay, obliquely. So these rays will not meet because they are parallel rays, forming the image is formed at infinity. And second one is again real and inverted. Since they are parallel rays, the image formed at infinity will be highly enlarged. Okay. So we have seen 5 cases, and the last case, which is quite different from the rest of the 5. Let's see this. Case 6. Between F and P. Now here, concave, principal axis, pole, focus, center of curvature. Now let's see the case like I am having my object over here. Two rays, ray 1, and so I am taking from principal axis, and one that is oblique, and the one more case is when it is having a ray that is above the top. Okay, well, now see this case. This light ray will get over here, reflected like this, whereas here it will be reflected by this. But it appears to be coming from a point over here, no? Right? And this will be here meeting at some other point at the top, which means it is more like a image that is formed behind the mirror. Okay, behind the mirror. Now the image is behind mirror. What is the nature? Virtual and direct. Both are of the same. Just remember, if one is inverted, then it is real and inverted. If one is like is in same direction as the object, then which means it is virtual and direct. So here image is highly enlarged. Okay, these are the cases where we have learnt how the light gets reflected and how the images will be formed in concave mirror, where there are 6 cases. Sorry, let me show you this. At infinity, beyond C, exactly at C, between C and F, exactly at F, between F and P. Infinity, beyond C, exactly at C, between C and F, at F, and then this is between F and P. Comment if you want to know more topics, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.